When it comes to help desk software, Zendesk versus Jira Service Management is a comparison that comes up a lot. Both are heavy hitters in the industry, but which one is the best for your needs? In this video, I'm going to break down the key features of both, what each excels at, and why neither is perfect. Stick around until the end because I'm going to share a better alternative you might not know about. First up, let's talk about Zendesk. Zendesk is widely praised for its simplicity and user-friendly interface. It's intuitive, and even if you're new to help desk software, you'll get the hang of it quickly. The self-service portal is solid, allowing customers to easily submit tickets or search for solutions. But here's the thing, while Zendesk shines in its ease of use, it can lack some of the more advanced features that larger, more complex teams need. Next thing, let's look at Jira Service Management. Built by Atlassian, it integrates smoothly with Jira and Confluence, making it a great choice for tech teams already using these tools. Jira's advanced customization options and automation rules are fantastic, allowing you to create detailed workflows. However, Jira can be a bit overwhelming for smaller teams or non-technical users. It's less intuitive than Zendesk and can take a little longer to get used to. Now, let's get into pricing. Zendesk offers a range of plans, but they can get pricey as you scale. The basic plans are affordable for small businesses, but once you need more advanced features, the cost quickly adds up. Jira, on the other hand, is slightly more budget-friendly, especially if you're already using other Atlassian products. However, the price can still rise if you add on more features or need more advanced functionalities. The fourth thing to consider is customer support. Zendesk's customer support is one of its strongest suits. They offer 24/7 support, and the Help Center is packed with resources. But while the support is solid, it can sometimes feel a bit generic, and some users have reported slow response times. Jira's support, while also good, tends to be more technical. It works great if you're already familiar with Jira's ecosystem, but it might leave less experienced users feeling a little stuck. The fifth thing, integrations. Zendesk is known for its extensive app marketplace and integrations with third-party apps like Slack, Microsoft Teams, and more. Jira also has integrations, but because it's so focused on development teams, some integrations are more geared towards that niche. If you're running a smaller or non-technical business, Zendesk's wider range of integrations might be more useful. But let's be real, no tool is perfect. Both Zendesk and Jira Service Management have their strengths and weaknesses. While Zendesk is great for teams who want an easy-to-use interface and solid support, it may fall short on customization and advanced features. Jira shines when it comes to customization, automation, and integrations for larger teams, but it's not as beginner-friendly. So, after trying both, here's my recommendation. If you're looking for an alternative that combines ease of use with advanced features, something that works for both small and large teams, I suggest checking out the link in the description below. This tool has everything both Zendesk and Jira Service Management have, but with a few added benefits. Take advantage of the free trial through the link and get access to exclusive benefits that aren't available anywhere else. These solutions mentioned in the video are great, but for the best help desk experience, whether you're scaling up or keeping it simple, this is the solution you should try.